For a long time, we convinced ourselves that good enough was actually enough. But for those of us who lived through the 2011 Apple Thunderbolt display era, we knew better. We remember the simplicity, the soul, and we've been waiting a decade to find it again. To make modern setups work, we turned our desks into science experiments. Clip-on cameras, external speakers, hubs to manage the hubs. We had the pixels, sure, but we lost the experience. It was never just about the LEDs or the LCDs. It was about the everything else. One cable, no compromises. That snappiness, that instant on magic, it's finally back. The clutter is gone. The friction is gone. It's just you and the work, exactly the way it was always meant to be. Because it was never about specs on a sheet. It was about finding that one missing piece that would finally make the whole desk feel complete.